Hi everyone, I'm Lala. Welcome to my kitchen today for another episode of the Broke Bee Cooking. I am going to be making bambosas. Bambosas or bambusas? I really don't know how to pronounce it. If you don't know and you're new here, um, I've done two other recipes using a 5-pound bag of potatoes. This is the third. This series is me basically buying a value pack of something and doing the best with it. This is a recipe that I'll actually put a link where I got this recipe. And I diced some potatoes, about 4. The other 3 I make shoestring fries with them. It's basic, so I just didn't add that in this video. But I blanch about 3 or 4 potatoes diced for about 15-20 minutes with a little salt. It's not pasta, it's potatoes. And then this local chorizo, it is store-bought, but there's other chorizos that you might find that might be in your store. Just be aware of the fillers, and it's a little bit more greasier. This one, I had to add oil to the pan because I just know it doesn't have that much fat. It's mostly pork. This sandwich, this recipe it's my first time making this. I feel like these past three recipes, they've all been my first. I've never made shepherd's pie. I've never made Korean style corn dogs. So this is another one I have never made. I've eaten before. I've enjoyed. Never tried. So I just basically just cook the chorizo, add about a cup of onions or less if you want. And these are chili guajillos. I always keep these in stock at my house at all times. When I see that I'm running low, I buy more. What I do is I tear off the stems and take out the seeds. You can leave the seeds in, but more than likely you're going to have to strain it. I feel like with how I do it, I don't have to strain it. And I could have done a lot better using this chili. I could have toasted them first. That's what I should have did. But I didn't do that. I was actually in a hurry. Raul has new hours. He's coming home later, and I was kind of stuck. I was just like, wait, what's going on? Like it's a whole new schedule. It kind of did mess me up a little bit. So I was rushing. I didn't, take care of my time, I guess. So I blanched those potatoes for about 15 minutes. They are kind of cooked. You still want to cook them because you don't want them to be too hard. One recipe that I read said that they smash the potatoes. But if you cook them, add seasoning. I'm adding pepper and salt. Be careful with the salt. But put a top on it if you want them more softer. Put a top. Put them on low and just let them cook until you're ready to put them together. So yeah, just cook those chilies in some water, by the way, for about, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. It doesn't even take that long. Add to a blender a little piece of onion, a garlic, the soft chilies, and some of the cooking water. You want to add a little salt. And yeah, you're good. That's it. That's the sauce. That's what it should look like. Now, where I messed up is I didn't cook the sauce. I was supposed to cook this. I messed up so much on this sauce. I apologize, but you should put some oil in a pan and fry off that sauce a little bit because you want to just cook off that raw onion and the raw garlic. So, bolillos, you want sturdy bread. You don't want like a Hawaiian roll or anything like that. Nothing like that. You want a good sturdy bread. Now, in the recipe that I read, because I read a lot of different recipes. That's how I kind of just get the gist of the recipe. And one of them said to brush it on. I wish I would have just put that sauce like in a bigger bowl and just dipped it in there. The way that I'm preparing here in the video, uh, it was a little dry. I would have liked the sauce on the inside. But we're gonna toast the buns. So I have the comal here. I'm putting a face the side that I cut open face down. Now I didn't put sauce on that side. And I'm thinking if I would have put sauce on that side, it probably would have like stuck. But I wonder if I would have cooked that sauce, if it would have been like a different consistency. Hey, I don't know. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. You hungry? Yes. I got something good. Are you excited? Yes. Alright, it's time to assemble the sandwich. It was so good, y'all. I topped it with lettuce. I used some fresh Mexican cheese. You can use any cheese of your liking. And I added, to Raul's I added sour cream. I didn't have any Mexican sour cream. I feel like the American sour cream lasts longer, but I mean, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But let's see what Raul thinks about it. Again, I fried up some shoestring fries for the side. All right, I hope y'all come back and let me know if y'all make this, okay? Let's see what Raul thinks. So let me tell you what this is. How you say?
Pambazos.
Pambazos. Okay, yeah. So I did something wrong and I just remembered. I was supposed to cook the salsa. I didn't cook it.
Okay.
Yikes. So there's my mistake. This was a learning lesson. First time ever making this. I hope you like it. All right, so I'm gonna do a. Go ahead. Okay. Get back here so you can see all of you. Oh, and those papa fritas are homemade. Be honest.
Just like the Mexican one.
Like even if I didn't cook the sauce, the salsa?
Yeah, that's still good.
Is it good and hearty?
Mm-hmm.
You need some pickled jalapenos?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you're right. So it can have that tangy, bit, yeah. Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Very good, really good.
Taste the papa fritas.
Mm-hmm.
You like this dinner?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. We love you guys.
Love you. Thank you for watching us.
Bye.
Bye. Mm-hmm.